Hey guys, I hope you guys are well. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm opening my vlog again in a work uniform, but it's fine. It's fine. I just came back from the mall and I didn't take you guys with me, but now I just wanted to do a quick Dis-Chem haul. So I went to Dischem to buy a few things that I'm gonna need this weekend. So I really wanted to go and do in and out. That's why I didn't take you guys with me. I bought 2 of these baby wipes. I bought 2 of these wipes. I love using them because they are fragrance free. So I bought 2 of them. And I bought cotton wools. So this weekend, I have 3 weddings. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But Sunday is just wedding guests. And like, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but the first one on Friday is it Moeketsi? Somewhere. Yeah. And then the second one on Saturday is at Turf Loop. And then Sunday it's at Pokwane, so I'm gonna go home. So it's wedding guests. So la one weekend take a hectic. And I also bought this Nivea moisturizer. Yeah, this moisturizer and the Nivea micellar water and the Fix and Go from Rimmel. It's a finishing spray. And also bought the famous L'Oreal setting mist. And what else? Yeah, I think Tifeleji. I also want to show you guys these. I bought these brushes from this lady. So Mosa posted the brushes on Instagram and I was like, if they posted like Mosa, no, I'm going to buy them. The normal price for these brushes is 500, but because now it's Black Friday, so the lady is selling them for 350, and I bought 2 of them because the quality of these brushes, guys, is insane. They are so soft. Let me show you. They are very soft, guys, very soft. You can just see for yourselves, very soft. And I also bought lashes. I bought a box, 2 boxes of these lashes from Bling Girl because I didn't want to buy the one. So I'm gonna 10. So I bought 2 of them, and I love these ones because they are natural. They're not full. They're not heavy. Even when you get a client who doesn't like lashes, I don't think she will have a problem with this one because they are not too heavy, guys, and they're so natural. So yeah, that's about it. And I went to Aldo. I bought this cute bag. It's a very small bag like the other one that I bought from Steve Madden, but I think this one is smaller. I don't like this thing because it gives it a different look, so I'm going to change it and put this one. I'm going to change it and put this one. But I will see, but I think this one will work better. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to come here and show you the things that I bought. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I think I'm going to see you guys on Friday because tomorrow and Thursday I am busy at work, so I won't have time to vlog and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Hey guys, we just arrived. Yeah, I'm just waiting for them. But yeah, we just arrived. I'm tired. I'm always tired, by the way. So yeah, this is such a beautiful place, eh? It's a beautiful place, far away from everything, far away from everyone. It's a beautiful place, wedding venue. Yeah. And I have another wedding tomorrow. I have another wedding. And Sunday as well. But Sunday is a problem because it's just wedding guests, as I've said. So it's not much of an issue. And it's at home. So it's an advantage because means ke tlo ya gae go ba bona. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So yeah, this is just an update. I will see you guys soon.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free.
I'm tired. We just got to town. See, the week on a week. We just got to town, and it's not like I'm going to rest. When I get home, I have to wash my brushes because tomorrow I have another wedding. So I am so exhausted. I am so tired. Yeah, tomorrow I have another wedding. So now we work for our money. We work hard for our money. This is just an update. I'm doing it here because we just stopped to buy food, and I thought, no, let me just update you guys. I know it's dark, but yeah. Yo guys, a day in between today and tomorrow, so I can rest. Yeah.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back?
Hi, welcome to Mama Matlala's channel. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment down below. Hobe lovely.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today is Sunday, guys, and we are home at my grandmother's place. The reason why we came here is because I had plans today. I think I explained in the beginning of this vlog. So I had plans today from here, Pogwane. So we came last night, and I am so tired, guys. I'm really tired. This weekend was just hectic for me. It was hectic, it was crazy, but I'm glad it's over. I'm glad it's over, guys. Yes, I used this as an advantage to come and see them. And my little sister doesn't want to go with me. I don't know when she's gonna come, but it's fine. Other than I can come to Can't say hi to people.
Hey guys, please subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel.
I'm closing off this vlog here because I really want to upload it on Tuesday. Crossing fingers. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Dark, yeah, we can go inside.